What is up, guys? Welcome to a new episode on the channel. In today's episode we are going to unleash the beast. It has been hibernating for more than 4 months now, and we will try to get it started. First of all, we're going to clean the cover, add some fluids of the gearbox, and checking the battery. When all that's done, checking for leaks of fuel under the hood, and when that's okay, I'm going to start it again, and with the big question, will it start? It's gonna be fun. Stay tuned. Now we're checking the battery and loading it a little bit. So the voltage is okay, and we're giving it a little bit more juice. Dry battery, so it's okay. And in fact, it doesn't even need loading, so we can stop that. So as you could see, the battery was still in perfect condition. Now we are going to check for some fuel leaks, because in the past I had some problems with that, and that could be dangerous. So first looking for some leaks, and after that I'm going to start trying to start the beast. So in the past I had a fuel leak with around here some hoses that got bad. These are all dry. So we think we're good here, and I think I can try to start it up. Stay tuned. leaks all over the place. Jesus, man. Fuel was... Jesus. Where did that come from? Fuel was pumping all over. Whew. That's frightening. See these hoses here? They are completely wet. See my hand? Completely wet. And the gasoline was pouring all over the motor here. Man, that was dangerous, because I have this output manifold here that's going heat. Jesus, man, that's completely wet, you see? I will have to replace those hoses again. They are new from last year, so they are completely rubbish. I will have to look for some better. Jesus, man, is that frightening. Ooh, I was lucky, I guess. Well, I'm going to take those flexi hoses away, and we are going to study what went wrong. I'm going to cut it open and see what is wrong. Stay tuned. it looks like new. Nothing faulty to see on the outside. So guys, this is again a wrap for this video. We are planning to make some metal fuel lines, because I think it's a lot safer, and originally these Corvettes C3 have metal lines when they come from the factory. So I would like to do that also. A friend of mine will help me with it. But that will be in the next video, because we don't have the lines for this moment, and I don't have the tools, but so he will help me, and I will show it in the next in some of the next videos that will come. In the meantime, I hope you liked it. If you did, hit the thumbs up. Please subscribe if you already didn't, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss out on anything in the future. See us also on Facebook and on Instagram to catch some scoop before it is on YouTube. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.